Hello everyone. So yeah, today's video is going to be kind of a lead on from my last few. I can't even remember like how long it's been since I've made a YouTube video. Quite a while. But yeah, I said I was going to update on my autism diagnosis kind of process thing. And last week, it's now 8 days ago now, I had my phone call to let me know my results, and I'm autistic. So yeah, I kind of knew, like after doing loads of research and stuff, I knew that I fit a load of the criteria for autism. I kind of knew that I fit in with quite a lot of the things, so I kind of knew that it was probably gonna be, I've got it, because in my assessment, essentially the lady who was doing the assessment kind of said it kind of looks like probably you do. And then they do the other assessment where they talk to somebody who knew you as you was a kid. This was with my mum, and again they said it looks likely. So yeah, there was 2 appointments. There was a chance there was going to be 3 if they felt they needed it. So my diagnosis was the first appointment, which was me, where they talked about all the stuff that made me think that maybe I was autistic, the stuff that I struggle with, blah blah blah. And then the next one was my mum, like what I was like as a kid, because autism is something that you are born with, it's not something that like comes over time. So that was that appointment. That was done over the phone with my mum, because I don't know why, they just did it over the phone with my mum. Mine was in person, because I'm guessing if you want to see if someone's autistic, then being in front of you kind of is better than talking to them on a phone. So yeah, there was those 2, and then I got told there was a chance there was going to be a 3rd one, which would be like other tests if they weren't sure. Like it would be like, I've seen like some people do videos on these where it'd be like they'd show you a bunch of pictures of people's like facial expressions, and you'd have to like tell them what you think they're thinking or what emotion they're conveying or something. And I don't think I'm too bad at stuff like that. It's other stuff that I kind of struggle with, like generally social situations, and like the masking side is definitely something that I have had to kind of deal with a lot through my life, of like of trying to appear normal. I'm not normal. I've never been normal. And yeah, that has kind of gone through my life, and now that I've got this diagnosis, I can feel that I've been more myself than what I would have normally been. Like if something's bothering me, like a sensory issue, or like I'm just not comfortable, I'm better now at saying it because there's a reason for it, instead of it being like you're just being dramatic, whatever, blah blah blah. I read a thing that said autism is not an excuse, it's an explanation. So yeah, that made perfect sense to me. Like I know at work I do struggle quite a lot at work, and it's probably not the sort of work that somebody with autism would generally be good at. I'm good at aspects of my job, but I do struggle at other parts of it. But now I feel like, now that I've got this, it can be explained, and you know, I can, like whenever someone new starts at work, for example, I must come across as such a bitch because I go mute. I don't speak. Someone speaks to me, I will speak back, but I will never initiate a conversation with somebody who I don't know. It generally takes me a few months to get to know someone to a point where I will be comfortable with them, and I'll make jokes and stuff, and it'll just be just like anyone else. But new people starting to work, oh my god, they must think that I am an absolute bitch. But at least now I can say, sorry if I'm like coming across as quiet or I don't talk to you or anything. I need time to process somebody new being there, and get to like know you and stuff before I can just have like small talk, if that makes sense. It's something that now I can actually say, this is the reason why this is happening. And I'm not just being a bitch. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to update you on that. The whole process I think I made the phone call to my GP, I think it was in October, when I was like first like wanted to see if I could get an assessment to see if I was actually autistic. And then I had I did there was a test thing that he did, then he referred me to the adult autism something or other in Rotherham, and then in January I heard back from them, got the appointment booked for March. My mum's appointment, my mum's side of appointment was, I think it was early April, I'm not 100% sure when it was, but yeah, they said it'd be like 4 weeks something before they got back to me. I didn't know if that 4 weeks was 4 weeks between them booking the third assessment or if it was to get my results. Turns out it was to get my results. And yeah, it was a relief to get that diagnosis, because I don't know, I've still not kind of had time to process it, because I got my results on the Tuesday morning. The Tuesday evening it was the Sheffield Steelers awards evening, and that was a drunken mess. It was fun though, and I don't know, I've kind of not had time to properly process it, like sit down and think, this is I don't know, I hope it's not going to change how people see me who already know me, and it'll explain some things to new people who I meet as to why I'm like I am. But yeah, that's kind of it. That's all I wanted to kind of talk about, of just relief, really. I have been referred to some sort of, I don't know what it is, I think it's called, I don't know what it is, but it's like it's initials for something else, Rotherham adult autism something, I don't know, where they have people who talk to you about autism and like help you learn about it and stuff, and you can take people who you know so they can learn stuff about autism, because I'm trying to get better at talking to people about why, because I know that I get told stuff like, oh, why can't you do this, why can't you do that, why, it's only blah blah blah. It's like, okay, this is one thing, I don't like touching like meat at all, and like my dog has meat for her dinner and I can't touch it, I can't like give her food, so someone else has to do it. And I think it's kind of taken as, you just don't want to do it. It's like, it's not that I do want to do it, it's just I can't do it because of the sensory thing of the feeling of the meat, and it's no. But yeah, I think that teaching people who you know about that stuff is important, and I think yeah, going forward I hope that the people who I know will kind of learn a little bit more about it. I don't know. But yeah, that's kind of all I wanted to talk about. It's a bit all over the place because I don't really know what the fuck I'm saying. But yeah, I'm autistic and I'm okay with it because it explains everything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want me to make more videos on autism, etc., please let me know, because yeah, I know that there's like a lot of stuff about people getting like, especially women getting like misdiagnosed and stuff with the NHS and stuff, but I genuinely can't say a bad word about how I was treated. Like, I was taken seriously, I was seen quickly, I was, you know, like relatively quickly. I know some people are waiting like however long. Like, even like the GP actually referring me was amazing, because I know that some GPs are just like, no, you're not autistic, you don't need a test, you don't need to be referred, blah blah blah. But yeah, mine was quick and it was all relatively painless as it could possibly be, and I'm glad that I've done it now. It only took me into my 30s to get it done, but I've done it now. Anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. As I said, if you want me to make more videos like this, let me know, because I do like making videos, but again, I lose interest in things very quickly. Again, that is part of autism. And yeah, I do enjoy making these, but I don't ever really, I'm not good at thinking of things to make videos about. So if you made it this long, give me ideas. Anyway, that's it. See you later. Bye.